Welcome to Lab 5, Flow over Immersed Bodies, Cylinder. The goals of this lab are to study the pressure distribution and drag force of a cylinder immersed in airflow and compare the experimental results with those expected under envisaged conditions. Similar to the last lab, the principles of this lab will focus on the drag coefficient for a cylinder immersed in airflow. Experimental procedures. This lab is split in two parts, the laboratory experiment and the modeling. For the experiment, you will be using the COMSOL program, which is already installed on the computers. The first step is to open the COMSOL program from the application folder. Then, you will open the file named cylinder underscore luminar underscore hb01.mph. Then, you will adjust the input velocity, run the model, and record the drag coefficients. The simulations should be completed for two input velocities in between 10 to 40 meters per second. For the experimental part of this lab, you will run the wind tunnel at 4 different velocities, 10, 15, 20, and 25 meters per second. And for each velocity, you will record the manometer fluid heights for each of the 24 manometers. Remember to record the initial manometer heights prior to each trial, and before recording the initial heights, allow time for the manometer fluid to stabilize. Lastly, make sure to complete the minimum results/questions at the end of the lab handout.